On this video, I'll be doing yoga and installing a spice cabinet. Okay, this is the electrical. It's kind of like a Rube Goldberg machine. But
yeah, a little bit.
all right, I'm going to go through it right quick. That's the trash can. Okay, so this is the electric panel. It fits underneath the left bench, which is your bench. The other bench is plumbing. So the electrical and the plumbing. So this whole thing is removable. And this is going to be weird. I don't think anyone's done one of these. I don't know. You see these handles? This whole thing lifts up and it sets into the bench. And we'll probably have to show you that on another day. So come around here and I'll show you I'll go to the thing. Okay, so this controller charges the batteries from the van alternator. So that's the controller for that. This controller is the solar panel charge controller. So the solar panels come in here and that charges the batteries. So this is the distributor, can't lift it up right now, where everything connects. So this is the main cutoff switch, and I fabricated these copper plates to connect them. This is the shunt that measures the current. So this is positive and negative going here. This will go to the battery. And the cables for that are over here. Let me show you. This cable is 4/0 cable. Look how thick it is.
Wow.
And it's heavy. So this is the panel for the DC loads, like the refrigerator and the lights, small things. So each one of these breakers is for 12 volt DC something. So the DC is going to come in here and then go out to all that. Okay, this is the 120 volt AC breaker box, and that will go to outlets and incoming shore power and to the kitchen outlets, which are the microwave oven, and to the air conditioner, which is on the roof. This is just a utility 12 volt outlet that'll be down at the bottom. So these little utility outlets will be there. Okay, this controller this is my toggle controllers, and this toggles my lights on and off. I have lights on the front ceiling and lights on the back ceiling. So these wires go out to little buttons around the van that you can push to toggle things on and off, and this relay turns. One is the front and one is the back. So I made a mounting plate in between these that I can mount these special controllers, and I can put more controllers for other things here. So that's kind of like a universal mounting plate. It just bolts down with the whole thing comes out. So this is the raceway where all the cables go in, and there are covers over there for that raceway. So it'll close over here. So you won't see any wires. You'll just have the wires coming down here. So like the wires, when they need to go to the other side, will come out the bottom like that.
Okay.
So this rides on the bottom of the van. Let's go take a look at that. Okay, so see these channels right here? See, there's all the way across there. So that whole assembly just fits right in there, and it locks to that. And that's the inverter right there. That doesn't get mounted on the panel. It's too big. And that's my battery. But I can have up to 2 or 3 or 4 batteries in this whole situation. So this closes down. This cable looks like a lot, but really all it is this batch right here. That right there is all the DC and the AC coming from shore power, all the lights in the ceiling, AC to the other side, to the kitchen, all that right there. That's how big it is. That's how big the bundle is. So those bundles of wire will go underneath the electrical panel and up to the raceway and to all.
Show me the connections on the
Okay,
outside.
so one more thing. This thing will since all the wires are connected, I need to be able to access it, and I'd be laying down here working on it. So I can pull this up and lay it down. There's going to be a bracket here and here. So I'll be able to work on it just like you saw it in there up here with all the wires going down. And then when I'm done tweaking it, I can grab it and slide it back in there and bolt it down.